381 Verbena. Landscape cleanup, but we do that on all the properties. Nice large lots. This is a corner lot. I will need the property manager's opinion on the rock in the front yard, but we do have mature landscaping with the oleanders and the palm tree. We'd have to make sure items are gone, so we may junk them if the seller doesn't take them. So we would rekey the security gate, the front door, and the garage door. Repaint, replace carpet. It may sound like a lot, but really it's not. Painting is about $1.35 a square foot. It's not a very large house, and carpet's about $1.50 a square foot. So not that large of an investment, but you'll see a huge return. We have vinyl flooring in here. It's about $5 a square foot for tile installation. And it's such a small space that we're not talking about a large investment. We do have locking doorknobs, but we'll get the property manager's opinion on whether that matters, because these doorknobs, you just need a little pin to stick in there and it unlocks. So it may not be considered a true lock. We need to replace the blinds, 2.5-inch forward blinds. We're at 3 count right now. This is a great backyard because it does get a lot of sun, but we have this really beautiful, from what I can see, really beautiful patio cover. We have some concrete already in place. We don't have any rockscape or anything in the backyard, and I wasn't sure what you will call it in the front yard, so that's something we need the property manager's opinion for. French doors leading into the master. Replace these 2 blinds as well. Vinyl in all the wet areas. The counter looks to be in good shape, and the cabinets look fine. No rust on the light fixtures, really nice high ceilings. We have that wallpaper border in some random rooms throughout the house. It doesn't matter if you have to repaint anyway. Just take them off and paint. So some caulking in here will just help to freshen up the look of the property. It's a minor expense. Caulking. And the thing is, if you start to replace the bedroom door handles, you see all these door handles, just from right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the master has French doors, so it's 6. So is it worth the investment? We'll find out. So much closet space. Oh, sorry. Okay, there's only 1 door handle on the master. So that's an older light fixture. It's about $150 to install a fan. About the same amount, I can't think of the amount off the top of my head, to install a more modern light fixture. I don't think there is a light in here. Yeah, there's not a light in here. We have a 3-prong. Nice size pantry. This is a mop sink, so you have to make sure it doesn't leak. We want to remove the water softener. Oh, sorry, that was loud. Okay. I'm not sure where the light is on that, so I'm just gonna leave that on. Okay, that's the property.